Hi everyone. So today we can discuss how we can create a title sheet family by the help of Revit. Okay, Revit itself, when you are modeling, we are having a reference sheet there, title sheet there to take the printout on now. But as you know, when you are working in a company, that is not sufficient. We have to create our own title sheet, whatever the sheet size it may, whether that is A1, A0. We have to create our own sheet as per the company standard. Okay, so if you know the exact dimension of your title sheet, then what you can do, you can draw it within the title sheet family. You can create it, that one you can use. Or if you're having the PDF provided by the company, then you can directly upload at the time when we are creating the title sheet family. Then accordingly, we can create it and we can proceed. Anyhow, we need to create some shared parameters as well when we are doing the sheet setting or when we are creating the title sheet as well. Okay, let's start. So I'm just going to create the family of title sheet as per my requirement. I'm having a reference sheet for that for my company. I'll be creating accordingly. And I'm just going to the family section, create a new option. Okay. And from there, I need to select a title block because the family template I need to select. No, so that's the first procedure I should do. So I'm just going to the title block, and from there I'll be selecting this one, which one, A1 metric. So if you're not having this family, you can directly download from the Autodesk website itself because the family templates, everything is available in the Autodesk website as free of cost. Okay. So you can simply Google it like Revit family templates free download, then you can directly download it from the Autodesk website itself. I'm selecting like A1 metric because I'm going to create an A1 sheet only. Means which sheet I'm going to create, I will explain. Like, yeah, this is a sheet I'm going to prepare. Correct. This is an A1 sheet. As you know, the dimension of A1 sheet is 841 millimeter by 594 millimeter. Based on that, this sheet I have to create for my printout. And once it has created, I need to go to the project and the printout also have to do. Okay, let me select the family template of A1 metric. Click open. Okay. You can see the dimension. No? You can check the dimension. This dimension will be like 841. Correct. 841 by 594. That's the standard size of A1 sheet, right? If you don't want to visible this line, it's a boundary only. If you don't want to visible, you can select this one. You can hide it at the time when you're taking a printout, no sheet setting. You can hide it, but let it be there. Okay, so anyhow, you can go to the family category. Say I'm creating a title block only. Make sure that, and I'm just going to insert the PDF that I'm going to create. So just go to the insert option. From there, you can select import PDF. Okay, so the PDF is this one where you are saving within the computer. From there, you can select it. A1 metric. Now, this is a file I'm just going to create. Open it. And the DPI means dots per inch square. How much clarity? Same like pixel only. 1 inch square, how much dot it will be. So if you want more clarity at the time when you are uploading it, instead of 72, if you can select 150 or 300. See, let me take 300 DPI, dots per inch square, so that the clarity of the PDF will be improved. Click OK. Then you can specify that in the screen itself. You can see that. Let me place it. Okay, I have placed it. You can see. Now you can do one thing with respect to the boundary. Okay. With respect to the boundary, we can create it using keyboard. You can slightly move it. Okay, fine, perfect. Now this is a sheet I'm going to create. Okay, this is a border relevance, everything I need to consider. You can go to the create option. From the create option, you can select a line. Okay. So you can select whatever the line it may. For time being, I'm selecting the title block line only. So just to take a rectangle. And then from here, I will be creating a rectangle. Okay. And a lot of reference lines I need to create now. And let me create that one here. From here to here, I need to prepare. Okay. Okay, you can go to the trim and extend single element. This one and this one, I can trim it. And a lot of other reference line I need to create now. For example, see, if you know the dimension without drawing like this, you can Provide the dimension accordingly also you can make it. For time being, for easy purpose, now what I'm doing, I have uploaded the reference sheet, then I am making it. That will be easy. Now select it. Now you can copy this one. Okay. Copy this one. Then you can place it there. Here we can, if there is any misalignment, we can correct it in the last. There. Here. Okay. We can correct everything in the last. There. Here. This one. Okay. There. Here. Here. There. And here. Okay. Fine. Anyhow, just trim and extend to multiple elements. Select this one. Select it. Now you can trim this one. Sorry. You can trim and extend this one. Okay. Now wherever the misalignment is there, that you can adjust now. Okay, these are minute only, no problem, that avoid it. This one you can adjust that one. Okay, now the remaining lines of revision. Okay, select, copy, and place it there as well. Trim and extend. Move it slightly. Okay, fine. Now here also drawn by, checked by, everything we have to create. So let me create one. Trim and extend. Okay. Copy with respect to the reference line, you can place it there as well. It's fine. Yeah. Now again, go to create line. From there, we can take a reference line, select it, copy. One you can place here, another one you can place here. Then trim and extend multiple element. Select it. Okay. Fine. All the boundaries I have created now. Now this notes everything I have to provide. For example, first I have to provide the client. So I'm just going to this one. No, I have to provide some text. I'm just going to the create. There you can go to the text option. I'm selecting a text. Let me select, for time being, Times New Roman is the font that I'm going to use. Client. Okay. So let me select it. Anyhow, this is 8 mm. I'm just going to the edit type. Duplicate. I need a 3.5 mm Times New Roman. Okay. So this font I am selecting Times New Roman. The dimension I am providing 3.5 mm for my reference. Apply. Okay. Okay. Make it bold. You can select this, go to the edit type, can make it bold. Now you can slightly move it downwards to the left as well. Okay, keep it. Same way you can copy this and you can keep it downwards. Copy, multiple has selected. Okay, reference, you can place it there, here, here, and here as well. Okay. So this is your client. The next one, we need consultant. Okay. Then we need contractor. Who is a contractor? Okay. Then what is that? Okay, that's what project it is. The project name. Then the drawing. Correct. So drawing reference only. What type of drawing it is? What drawing it is? Okay. Now we can adjust the orientation. Fine. Contractor. Project. Okay. Now the drawing. Okay. Now this is drawn by, checked by. So select, copy this one, paste it here. I'm selecting this one. Go to edit type, duplicate. I need 2.5 mm because the letter should be small there. 2.5 mm times New Roman only. Okay. And provide this dimension 2.5. Apply. Okay. Okay, fine. So now you can make this as drawn by. Who drawn it? Then copy who checked it, who approved it, the revision, submission date, drawing number, scale. Okay, one by one. Who drawn it? Move it there. Drawn by. Checked by. Okay. Exactly as per the sheet I required it. That's why I'm making like this. Then who approved it? So the third one, approved by. And you can move it upside. Okay. Then scale of the project, whether that is 1:100, 1:200, whatever it may. This is scale of the project. If you want to make it smaller, you can do. Otherwise, the same you can place it there. Okay, scale. And it's a drawing number. Okay, that is drawing number. You can place it there. Then submission date or drawing issued date. Every company will be having their own title sheet as per their requirement. So it is not universe. Means it's not common, no? It is not universal. This is like a revision. Okay. Whether that is R0 or R1. Okay. Place it there. You can copy this. Now we can take this to here, no, revision. Okay. So you can select it. Instead of 2.5, that I am providing 3.5 because that is slightly bigger now. 3.5 is fine here. Okay. Still, you can make it bigger. Copy. Can make it like 2.5. That is revision number. Then remark is there. Correct. Copy. Remark and the submission date is also there. Any special remarks or any notes we are having, that one you can provide. Okay. Then this is the submission or the revision submission date. When we have submitted that, same. And this one you can slightly move. Okay. And also from the top side, Any notes if you want to provide, you can provide in the top side as well. Here the legend should come that we can create, and here you need the notes. Any specific notes or disclaimers, if you want to provide as per the company standards, you can provide this. Okay. I'm not providing much notes. For example, any notes we can provide. For time being, the note number 1 I'm introducing. Like let's say all dimensions are in mm. Or this drawing is a solved property of like that. Any notes if you need, you can provide. Okay, so this is my sheet. I guess now the logo has to be introduced. So let me take the logo. I'm just going to the insert option. From there, I'm selecting an import image option. So where the logo has located, from there, you can take it. Okay, Amnear logos you can select. Let me select the thumbnail of selector. Okay. So this is a logo. Let me make it smaller one. And you can place it there. If you need to make it slightly bigger one, you can. For example, keep it there. Okay, there's a logo. Same way, like if you're having the client logo, everything you can. Once you have done this PDF, this PDF A1 metric, you can delete it. Correct. So this is a sheet. This is our sheet. Okay. This sheet, see if you want to make it slightly inside, or if any arrangements, if you want to do, you can. But no need. Keep it there. Everything is fine only now. Okay, now let me save this one. I'm just going to the file option. Okay, save as like a family. Where you need to save, I'm just going to the desktop option. Okay, select it like a folder. This is sheets, A1, metric, Amnear. Save it. Still, I need to do a lot of things because I just made the sheet. Now the labeling I have to do, because the client name, consultant name, contractor name, everything should come automatically. So that's why just to go to the create option. From there, we are having an option label. You can select the label option. You can click here, client. Now you'll be getting the edit label option. From there, you can select the client name. You can see the client name. Where we will be, this client name we will be providing as an input in the project information. For example, when you are selecting a project, okay, when you're selecting a project, from the top side, you can see in the manage session, in the ribbon, manage session, project information. Here we are having the parameter. For example, like a client name. Now this is honor only, like that. Client name, consultant name, that everything should be there under the project information. Okay, so just go to the family session. Okay, I'm just going to the create option, label, provide the label. And what label I need to provide? There I need the client name, select it, add it there. Apply. Okay, but the letter is, you can make it like smaller now. I'm just going to the edit type, duplicate, that is label, that is 3.5 mm, correct, 3.5 mm times New Roman. Okay, can make it like a 3.5, it should be bold one, apply. Okay, that is client name. And if you want to adjust slightly towards the left side or right side, you can do. That is my client name. Okay, the same way, additional further, this one you can create, like just select the client name. This is a label. You can copy this label and you can paste it there. That is my consultant only. Who is a consultant? Okay, so select this one, go to edit label, consultant. But consultant is not here, no? I need the consultant name. Specifically the name consultant I need. So I need to create the shared parameter for this one. Save this one. I'm just going to the project. Okay, from this project, I'm just going to the project information. You can see there is no consultant name, no? So I need to create it. Okay. That is under the project information okay, instance parameter we can create. I'm just going to the manage session. Go to the shared parameter. Now, no shared parameter we have created. Okay, we can create. Need to create it. Go to create option where I need to save it. So I'm just going to desktop inside my folder, Revit title sheet parameter. There I am creating it. Title sheet is the name I am providing for this one. Or any specific name if you need to provide. For example, like, yeah, the title sheet only. I'm not changing it. Keep it there. Save this one. Okay. Now the parameter group I need to create. You can go to the group session, new. The parameter group I am providing like title sheet only. Title sheet. Okay. Title sheet. And now the parameter I need to create. You can go to the parameter section, create a new parameter. The parameter I am providing like a consultant name. Consultant name. Okay. That is common only. And I should keep that under text. You can go to the edit tooltip. That is like, let me provide, that is consultant name. It's the tooltip only. Click OK. Click OK. Okay. Now the parameter got created. Okay. But if we are going to the project information, the consultant name is there? No, because we have to add it, right? Parameter I have created. Now we have to add it. You can go to the project parameter. From the project parameter, I need to create a new parameter. Okay. You can create a new parameter. From the new parameter, I need to select a shared parameter. What parameter it is? Go to the select option, consultant name. Okay. Click OK. I need to add it under, I need to add it project information. I need to add it below project information other section. Other. Okay. Subtab is other only. So go to the project parameter, new parameter, shared parameter. I need that as an instance parameter. Select it. Consultant name. Okay. The parameter group should be other. And I should add that under project information. Select it. Click OK. Click OK. Now you can come to the project information section. There you can see the consultant name. Now this one you can provide there. Now you can save this one. You can save it. We can come to our own family creation sheet. Okay. Now we can select this one. Go to edit label. Okay. Now still the consultant name is not there. No problem. You can create it. Add parameter. Select parameter. Under the title sheet, since we have already created the shared parameter, you can see the consultant name. Click OK. Okay. Now the client name you can remove. You can add the consultant name there. Then only automatically it will come when we are creating the sheet. Apply. Okay. That's my consultant name. The same way I need the contractor name. Select it. Okay. Copy. Under the project information, we need the contractor name. Okay. Select this one. Edit label. Contractor is there. Checked by client is there. Consultant is there. The contractor is not there means we have to add it, right? We have to create it. The contractor is not there. You can go to the project session. Go to the project information. See, client is there. Consultant is there. Contractor is not there. So we can create it like a parameter. You can go to the shared parameter. Same under the title sheet group. You can go to the new parameter. That is contractor name. Common only. Text only. Tooltip, leave it. Click OK. Okay. You can go to the project parameter section. Add it. Now new parameter. Shared parameter. Select it. Contractor name. Click OK. I need that under other section. The category project information. Okay. Okay. Now just save this one. Just go to the project information. You can see the contractor name is there. Okay. Now you can go to the sheet. Let me select this one. Edit label. Select this one. Contractor name. Okay. Okay. Now you can remove the consultant name. Rather, you can add it as the contractor name. Apply. Okay. Fine. The client is there, consultant is there, contractor is there. Now we need the project name. Project name definitely it will be there. Now you can copy it. So you can adjust like this, your project. Select it, go to edit label, project name. Project name might be there. Project name. Okay. Since it is already there, the contractor name you can remove, project name you can keep. Okay. Project name. Now the drawing name. Select it, copy the drawing name. You can select this one, edit label, sheet name. Sheet name you can select. Project name you can delete. Sheet name you can add. Apply. Okay. Okay. Now who drawn by? Okay. Select it. Copy. Select it. It is there. Let me select it. I'm just going to duplicate it. I need to decrease the size of that font. Go to duplicate. I need that as label 2.5 mm times new Raman. Okay. This one you can keep 2.5 mm. Okay. Still, if you want to make it smaller, you can do. Okay. That is who drawn by. Select this one. Go to edit label. Drawn by. You can add drawn by. Okay. That is drawn by. Now check the by and move it. Copy. Check the by. Approved by. Okay. Select it. Edit label. Checked by is already there. Now approved by. We can select this edit label. Approved by whom? Approved by. Drawn by you can avoid. Apply. Okay. This is approved by whom? Fine. Now the project scale we have to provide 1:100, 1:200 automatically that should come now. So that's why you can provide that DW project scale. Select it, edit label, drawing scale, drawn by scale, keep it there. This is for rough only. Now the drawing number, sheet name we have provided. Okay. Now you can copy this one. You can keep it like a drawing number, submission date, revision. Drawing sheet name, go to edit lab. Sheet number. Okay. Submission date. Edit label. Then sheet issue date you can select, or you can create a separate requirement. I'm selecting like a sheet issue date. If you need to create a separate parameter for submission date, we can. Anyhow, sheet issue date you can keep there. And revision. Revision, already we are having a revision schedule there. Or a specific parameter you have to create for revision, that also you can do. I'm creating a separate parameter for revision for my requirement. I'm just selecting, I'm just going to the shared parameter. Under the title sheet, I'm creating a new parameter like, let's say that is revision. It should be a text parameter. Okay. Okay. Now go to the project parameter. Project parameter, I need to add it under the sheet only. Okay. So I'm just selecting a shared parameter. Select it. Revision. Okay. 1 second before that, where I need it. See, when I'm selecting a sheet, I need that under identity data of sheet. Below identity data of sheet, I need that. Okay, now you can add. Go to the project parameter, a new parameter, shared parameter, revision. Okay. I need under identity data of sheets. Okay. Okay. So now when you are selecting a sheet, you can see there is an option called revision. This one we can take. Otherwise, we are already having a revision schedule option there, but I need that one. So I'm selecting this one. Go to edit label. Okay. Fine. Now just remove it, create a new, select option, revision. Okay. 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 Revision. You can add it. Then apply. Okay. Fine. Now here I'm not providing anything. Let it be there. Or revision number, the same label we can provide there. Okay. Revision number or remark. If you want to create a separate parameter as remark, I'm just going to the project. Okay. Just go to the shared parameter, a new parameter. That is my revision remarks. Okay. Keep it like a text. Okay. Okay. Just go to the project parameter. Okay. Create a new parameter. Shared parameter. Select it. Revision remarks. Okay. Then I need under identity data of sheets. Okay. Great. Okay. Okay. So when you select a sheet, you can see the revision remarks. You can come to our drawing. Then revision, the same label you can keep. I can copy this one. Revision, the same only. Submitted for approval. Let's say the first revision. Go to edit label. That is a revision only. A drawing revision you can see. The next one you can copy. You can keep it there. Okay. Here also you can keep. Okay, so the remarks, you can select it, go to edit label, revision, go to create a new revision remarks, add that parameter. Revision remarks you can add. Okay. Make it like a bigger because that might be a large letter. Date, you can go to edit label. Now that is issue date only. Already taken that. Submission date, sheet issue date. Okay. This one, anyhow, the font is slightly bigger. No problem. We can adjust it if it is required after submitting it. After when you're this one. Now just let me save this one. So as you know, inside that, this is a sheet, A1 metric Amnear. Now I'm just going to my project. So let me load that. Because for ground floor ceiling level layout, I'm just going to take it in that sheet only. So you can come to the sheet option, right click, okay, create a new sheet, A1 sheet am. You can load it under desktop, so we title sheet, sheets, A1 metric Amnear, open, overwrite the existing version, A1 metric Amnear, select it, okay. You can see this is a sheet. Now the client name is there, owner. You can go to the project information now. Client name is, let's say that is, okay, fine, keep it there, owner. Project name, that is S249, S249, the Dubai Mall. Project number, I don't want. Consultant name, let's say Amnear. Contractor name, let's say, example like company X, Y, Z. Clear, okay? Now you can see those names you will be getting. Okay. If you want to adjust the font and all, you can go to the edit family option. Accordingly, the font you can change. If you want to move it, you can change. Okay. Drawing name. No, drawing name. Anyhow, I have loaded the drawing. No. This is a drawing. This is a drawing I have loaded. You can right click just to rename it. That is my AC. AC01. Okay. So that is my drawing number, no? AC01. So the drawing name, you can see it is, sheet name is unnamed only. You can provide that as ground floor HVAC layout. It's already there. Okay. That's our drawing name. Then who drawn by? Mr. A. C. Within your company, people will be there. Who checked by? Mr. B. If you want to keep it like a who designed by, like that, one more session also you can add. Mr. B. Who approved by? Mr. C or Mrs. C, whatever it may. Then the scale, drawing scale, I have not attached any scale. For example, I'm just taking this layout, for example, ground floor ceiling level. Just keep it there. Now, actually, this ground floor ceiling level, I made with the 1:100 scale only. That scale should come there. Okay. AC01, you can see now the scale is 1:100. Automatically, that will come. Okay. Submission date is today date, 2/6. So the revision also you can see revision number, it is not coming. No, revision is not submitted. That's why. Revision, let's say that is R0. Okay, you can see the revision R0, revision R0. That is initial submission date is 2/26 today. Remark is, you can key revision remark is issued for submission. Issued for submission. That's initial. Now, like that, if you are having further R1, R2, like that, what all revisions we can provide? Now that in the future, no, lot of revisions will come that we can provide that. Okay. Like now we can take the printout of this one. You can go to the Control P or you can go to the file session, print option. That we have already discussed in the previous session. Correct. So that's why we can, it is just a very small layout only I did. Like what all details like this, if you want to provide to a custom sheet, you can do that. Okay, now we can go to the print option. You can print it as a like PDF file. Since no, it will take some time to load. Now we can print it. Correct. Okay, so anyhow, already this sheet setting and all we did before. Okay, so that's a way. Suppose in case if you need to create your own sheet as per the company standard, you can create like this. Hope this helps. Thank you, everyone.